Hello everyone, this is Dawn. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you some online exclusives. These become available to everyone starting March 4th, and they are only found on my website online. And there are a lot more than just these, but I've got a few to share with you. So this first paper collection, DSP, is called On the Go, and there's a lot of other components to it. I just got the papers, so of course on the go, they've got lots of travel icons, so that's fun. We've got some direction signs and maps and Polaroids and a globe and a camera. And then we have luggage tags. Those are fun. And direction markers with little, some have circles and some have little hearts inside. Those are fun. And keys. And on the flip side, these are nice with smaller prints on the flip sides. Be able to incorporate those into scrapbook pages easily. And then these are some cut aparts, good for journaling cards or pocket pages. Like the luggage and the backpack. It's fun. And then this one. And then we have luggage and backpacks and umbrellas and passports. And the flip side, lots of bright, fun, happy colors. And these are cut aparts, tags, and then the flip side, fun. Okay, so the colors in this collection are Azure Afternoon, Basic Black, Crushed Curry, Pumpkin Pie, Shy Shamrock, and Strawberry Slush. Okay. All right, and then the next DSP pack that I got, it is called Lovely Garden. And the colors in this collection are Basic Black, Blueberry Bushel, Crushed Curry, Garden Green, Fresh Freesia, and Melon Mambo. So let's take a look at these. Those are pretty. Oh, perfect. With the garden green, a nice grid, and I love these solid designs. They make it so much easier to work things in as a base on your scrapbook pages and on cards. These are tiny little yellow flowers, and the flip side is black and white. Leaves. That's pretty. I don't know my flowers, so I'm not even going to attempt. And then we have black and white with scattered dots or confetti. Ooh, look at this. That's really pretty. And the flip side. And then another floral. And then the flip side. And that's nice. Little yellow flowers. And the flip side. Pretty. Very pretty. And you could actually, if you took like just the flip sides of these papers without the botanicals or greenery, yeah, you could do something fun with just these without the florals. So lots of possibilities. Okay. So then the next DSP collection that I got, it's called Woven Textures. And the colors are Basic Beige, Crumb Cake, Early Espresso, Gray Granite, and Pecan Pie. And as you might have guessed, woven. We've got some basket weaves. And the flip side, it's like burlap. I like that. Gosh, it's so realistic. It looks photographed. Nice. Burlap. Oh, we get 3. And then another type of basket weave and the flip side. So we get a total of 3. So instead of using like a wood grain, you could work in a basket weave. Look at that. It's like a chevron. Oh, on the flip side, looks like linen. And bottom of a circle basket, and flip side. Love it. These will be very useful as well. Okay, woven textures. And then we have botanical textures, and these are all black and white and gray. So we have, that's pretty. So these are great. Oh, look at that. It's like maybe cement or sponged, and it's splattered. These are great for background interest, a base for a card, lots of uses, and then you can pop in whatever your favorite color is. So that's pretty. Oh, check that out. It's like a weathered, I don't know, like a tin roof. I don't know. Very cool looking though. So, and then another botanical, and another like weathered wood, and that's pretty. I like that. And then the flip side, wow, that's interesting. It's like sponged, but in a circular direction. That's kind of cool. And then this one, that's pretty. And another one with, I don't know, it would be watercolor if it were colors. But like kind of splash or with some splatters. Nice. And then a mostly white background. And that's kind of cool too. Awesome. So these will be really easy to work into if you want just a little pattern, a little something, but you don't want a solid, then yeah, these will be great to work in to scrapbook pages and cards. Okay, so that's all the DSP that I got, and then this is the bundle that I got. There's lots to choose from, so not just what I have here. I didn't go too crazy. So these are fancy borders, and we have special delivery sent with love to from, just because, a little hello with a lot of love. So these are the polymer stamps. And then to go with it are fancy borders dies, and I think these will be really useful on both the scrapbook page or a card. So you can work these in. We've got hearts, and then we have a bracket and kind of a, I don't know, cloud shape or a large scallop, and these are kind of bracket-ish. I don't know what you would call this particular look, but it's kind of cool. So I'll work it into a scrapbook page, and then we have some leaves, and nope, they don't coordinate with any. I'm looking, but yeah, very cool. All right, so that is fancy borders. And then there are 2 new kits that will be available, but I just got one. This one is called Heirloom Arrangements, and you get supplies to make 9 cards, I believe. A lot of cards, 8 cards. And then you get a stamp set. So this is the English one. Thankful and grateful. I feel lucky to have you. For you. Thank you. I appreciate your kindness. A very cool sort of background interest stamp and a butterfly. So you get some stamps, and then you get pecan pie, a little Stampin' spot, and you get adhesives along with a block, and then you get envelopes. And they're all with the, oh, cool. This one has kind of a newsprint sort of look with the, in the pecan pie for the inside of the envelope. And then this one's sort of that distressed grid. And then card bases that are pre-printed. Some are in that kind of a pink, peachy pink. And then you get lots of die cuts. Oh, here's some more card bases. This is some more of that sort of newsprint card base. Ooh, look at this one. It's in pink. And then these you get to stamp with for sentiments. Oh, look how pretty these are. Wow. Ooh, look at this. They're vellum die cuts. Oh my goodness. Wow. These are pretty. Yeah, I expect this one to sell out pretty quickly. Yeah. And these are some more die cuts. Wow, I can't wait to get to creating with these. Ooh, look at these butterflies. And the colors are just striking. Very pretty. Cool, cool, cool. All right, so that kit is available. All of this stuff is available starting March 4th. And online on my website. I'll put links in the description below so you can do some shopping. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button. Then you'll be able to find all of my videos. And I do these unboxing previews whenever I get some new stuff before it's available. So you get to get a little peek at some of the products that are going to be available on my website. And thanks for watching.